This Monday, I actually had a live webinar with the people in the BLW Binary Master app. Now, in this webinar, it was more education than anything. And when these type of webinars actually take place, I like to share them with you so that you can actually have the value of the content of it, even though you don't have like the privilege of being inside of the actual webinar live. I'd like to actually share it with you so that you have an idea as to what you can find inside of the BLW Binary Master app. So in this specific video, we're gonna have that webinar. Hey everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube and welcome to a brand new video for the channel. Today, I'm gonna share with you the exclusive webinar that we had on Monday with the BLW Binary Master app. Hey, if you're new to my channel and you're into binary options, forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, then this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you get a notification of every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's jump into the video. All right, welcome to webinar January the 23rd. How's it going? I see Mohammed is right here. What do you mean? Mohammed Shkali. All right, welcome everybody to this webinar. Look, I said in the previous comment that today was going to be an educational day because I've seen some movements in some pairs, and I want us to actually start kind of testing this. This is going to be for 2 minutes. You're going to realize that there's something very similar. And by the way, I'm actually going to switch. I'm going to trade with like $10 today. Here, I already made my profits. You can see that I already brought my account back to $1,000. So I'm not going to use a lot of money, but I've noticed that there is a crossover, and let me just go ahead and get my pan. There's a crossover moment on stochastic that really is powerful and respects the trend. So what do I mean? And probably I've already mentioned this before, is whenever you see that the 50 SMA is identifying the trend, but you also see that, for instance, here, there's a crossover in the exact same direction of the trend, like right here and right here. There's usually 1 or 2 candles that are super profitable. Today, we're going to be trading with either 2 minutes or 1 minute. We're going to be testing it. Maybe you want to go with demo, or you want to use your real account with very little money. But the point is that we're going to enter at the cross of the strategy. Here, right here, we don't have anything. Does that make sense? Let me know if that makes sense. That is making sense to you, because I want to make sure that we're all on the same page. And obviously, I'm going to tell you guys when to enter and when not to, but you guys get the point, right? I have already mentioned this before, but it's too powerful to just ignore it. One thing that we're not going to do is that we're not going to enter a position whenever we see the stochastic to oversold or overbought. For instance, here, if we see that there's going to be a cross going down, we're not going to enter. We're going to enter when the price is in the middle. All right. Oh, shoot. Just like right here. We just missed this entry. This one right here would have been a perfect entry. You see this candle. Right now, I don't think it's actually safe. So we're just going to ignore that. And yeah, let's go ahead and start. If you guys have any questions or anything, just let me know in the live chat right here. And so I'll go ahead and answer these questions. Right here, I already traded as well. So that's the reason why I'm actually having on demo account. So we're going to try to catch. This is a good opportunity right now. This AUDJPY. So, shoot, it already went away. But this is a good opportunity. Right now, after the beginning of the candle, is really risky to actually enter. But this was the first position. Sorry, but I was explaining everything, and we kind of missed the entry. Although right now it's actually giving a good opportunity. AUDJPY. Try to catch the best one. I'm not gonna explain like bunch of analysis or anything like that, but there's a support line right here that is happening in the trend. So hopefully we can actually catch the idea and catch some good trades as well. So let me just go ahead and look up. By the way, there are no news, but there's a holiday in all of these places: South Korea, Singapore, Hong Kong, and China. Yeah, a bunch of holidays. The New Year's on China. So Happy New Year, if in case you guys are connecting yourselves from any of these places. But yeah, so we're gonna try to catch some. Maybe this we were too, hungry. We're gonna wait. It's gotta jump a little bit more, and but when it's crossing or by the time that it's about to cross, that's when we're gonna enter the position. Okay. We definitely entered too early. That's fine. The point is to master this strategy. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to create a robot for this strategy. I mean, an algorithm that I'm going to share with you guys, and you guys can use it on MC2 so I can place trades automatically. It's not going to be as accurate as if you guys are reading the chart yourselves, but in the end, it's just an extra tool that I want to give you for free. Right now, we don't enter. It's still looking at like it's going to drop. And this one right here, it's still dropping, so we're not going to enter. It's actually touching too much this 50 level. Probably is going to retract, and then he's going to give us the entry point. But up until right now, we're just going to wait. Okay? Hold on. We got to be patient. This one looks like it's going to be good. Probably in the next candle. The point is that the stochastic is about to cross. Okay? So just hold on a second. Be patient. If you guys are monitoring any other position and you want to let me know like, hey, this one looks good. All right, perfect. I entered too low. But right now is happening the cross. So again, either for 1 or 2 minutes, you guys should be good to go. I'm just going to enter once at the beginning of the candle. That's it. Or probably I entered too low in the candle. But still, the beginning of the candle is what we're going to take as a measurement in order to enter. This is on Euro CAD. GBP CAD, GBP AUD actually looks good too. The problem with this one is that I already traded too much with this account, so I entered with $10. That's fine. It's kind of going away. Let me know if somebody entered AUDJPY in the money. Some people actually made profits on that one. Good job. You probably had a way better entry than myself. No, this is gone. Oh, this is perfect. GBP AUD. Oh, that's the same one, right? Oh, my bad. All right. That's the problem of using 2 brokers. Let me just go ahead and get 4 screens instead. I think it's going to be easier. Let me just get the highest paying pairs. This one here. We can delete the RSI. Let's see. AUDJPY. Am I using 2 minute? 1 minute? There you go. Just make sure that you guys have this correctly. All right. Just fixing on my settings here. How's this one doing? All right, this one's gonna be a winner. What happened with the other one though? It's a winner too, right? Oh, it's the same one. What happened with the other one? UDJPY. Oh, Euro CAD, we won it. That's good. Share your results, people. By the way, if in case You follow me. We won this one, and we won Euro CAD and GBP AUD were winners, so that's good. Thank you. Let me just go ahead and track them. Euro CAD, but GBP. No, it's put 2. All right. Share your results. I want to see how you guys did with these couple of trades. These were, you know, kind of, I don't want to say easy, but they were pretty obvious, right? Something's going to happen right now in Euro CAD again. There's going to be a drop again right here. So keep an eye on that one. All right. Let's see. AUDJPY, already have it. Nah. Nah. You guys are still here? You guys still here with me? Some people are saying AUDJPY, but the problem is that, first of all, I don't see anything going on here. Second of all, it's crossing the 50 SMA, and that's not good. This one didn't activate the Euro CAD. Euro USD is kind of crazy. So we're going to have to wait. We're going to have to wait and see until something really consolidates. Oh, this one I already have it. Keep an eye on Euro CAD, people. It looks like it's going to give us a good drop. Same thing with GBP CAD. These two pairs. This one needs to retract from the 50 SMA, and this one needs to retract as well. Okay, I see someone here, 5220. Good job. What is it that you enter? 91.208. Why did you enter that trade? I'm not sure. If you can let me know. Check Euro CAD, people. It's coming. I'm just not sure what trade you entered, honestly. This one's crossing too much. You guys monitoring the Euro CAD pair. GBP USD seems like it might give us a good entry too. We need a couple of red candles here and then we're done. And also GBP AUD once it starts dropping. GBP AUD. Yep. All right. So right now we're keeping an eye on GBP USD, on Euro CAD, like for immediate action. GBP CAD and GBP AUD are actually getting ready. Okay. So don't stress yourself and don't enter immediately. Just wait for the cross. Probably is going to be the next candle. You know, the problem with having these many screens, let me see if there's something wrong on my end. Oh, shoot. I didn't have enable timer. All right. Nah, it still hasn't activated. Let me just go ahead and enable the timer on all of them. It's hard to be just guessing what's going to be the expiration time, you know. This one still hasn't activated. Well, none of them actually haven't activated. GBP USD seems like it's going to be activated, so we got to be really quick on this one. These are the pairs that I'm actually looking at. So let me just go ahead. There you go. So let's keep on monitoring them. This one almost got activated, you know, but it didn't. Let's see the next candle. If this one is not a big green candle, I think the next one is gonna be the drop. It used the 50 SMA as a resistance, so that's good. All right, so Euro CAD people, Euro CAD, the crust just happened. The crust will happen within the next 2 minutes on GBP AUD and also on GBP USD. So you got to be very, very careful on that one and just keep an eye on it. All right. Let's just see what the results is on this one. Let's see. What's happening here? Oh, shoot, it's jumping. All right. It's fine if we lose a few trades. This one, GBP CAD is already gone. It didn't respect the drop. And I think the same thing is going to happen with GBP USD. I think the Canadian dollar is the one losing value. Yeah, it's going to be impossible for us to win this one. All right. We're going to have one loss. That's actually always normal, I guess. But yeah. GBP AUD though is actually looking good. Looking for an option. This is kind of becoming an uptrend, but not yet. So we're just gonna wait. All right, so Euro CAD was a loss, right? Let me know if you entered and let me know your results. GBP AUD, 2 wins, 0 losses. All right, NZD CAD I didn't send it, but I'm happy for you. What else is there? Hold on. Oh no, this one I already entered, right? I already said no. Yeah, it's changing on trends. Well, this one didn't really change the trend, but it killed our trade. So that's fine. We had to lose one. And right now I'm looking for more opportunities. But the thing is that what I'm looking for is an actual trend. Okay? If I don't have an actual trend, then there's no point of this strategy. There's nothing clear. Nah. I did see something though. Oh yeah, this one's becoming an uptrend. All right, take a look at GBP AUD. It looks like it's gonna give us a good entry. Sora, no, nothing is being shared here. Who was the one who actually asked me if they can share some sort of signals group or whatever? No promotions here, so be careful with what you share right now. Actually, you might get banned. All right. The cross is actually happening. I didn't realize that. Sorry. On GBP AUD, I did have a better entry though. GBP AUD. If this continues to jump, probably the British pound is the one getting valued. And it's going to be changing on trends. Which one's this one? GBP AUD. We're going to see what happens there. Hopefully you guys are trading on demo if you guys are not 100% familiar with this strategy. And there is some consolidation of new trendings going on the other 3 pairs. So that's actually always something good. I'm just entering one trade per per setup, being super conservative, and you guys should too. Okay? Whenever we are testing a brand new strategy, this is what we need to do. Big drops right now on the other pairs. On Euro GBP and Euro JPY. Seems like their Euro is actually losing value. Poof, this one's getting really hard. This GBP AUD. I think we're gonna lose it though. I don't think something's gonna happen within the next couple of minutes. Euro CHF. We don't trade CHF pairs. Sorry. They're just so unpredictable. It's not worth it. I don't know, man. These GBP pairs, honestly, they were the ones who killed all of our trades. So I think we're gonna stay away from GBP pairs for the next few. Even if I win it, we're gonna stay away from GBP pairs today. They are too unpredictable. Look, right now it's actually crossing up and the price is dropping. So it doesn't matter if I win or lose it. We're just gonna stay away from GBP pairs. Did anybody enter GBP AUD though? Yeah, I lost that anyways. GBP AUD. Can you guys confirm that you guys enter and share your results? I'm staying away from this currency for today. I'm not saying forever. Yeah, people lost there. All right. You guys want me to continue or you just want to stop for the day? There's pretty much nothing to enter in the next few minutes though. Or should we wait for a consolidation or something? Because nothing's going on right now. We're just going to be talking for like 10 minutes right now. Euro CAD. Let's see. Yeah, it's the same thing. We're just we gotta wait. We gotta wait up until. All right, we gotta wait up until the stochastic goes to this level and start crossing down. Same here, same here, same here. Well, this is crossing up, but this is not gonna happen within the next few minutes. GBP USD. I don't know. Are you guys familiar with this strategy though? Because you guys are sending me to pairs that are really, really not even close to the strategy. So probably you're not. I know you guys want to help. Don't get me wrong, but you know. Now your GBP dropped. All right. I don't know. Are we using maybe very few minutes? Maybe we should start with 3 minutes. Maybe. We're testing it, right? So maybe in 3 minutes, we get something better. Because in 3 minutes, we would have won this one. You know? Let's see. Questions. Was wondering for call because of the stock cross. My bad. All right, no, it's fine. It's just that it needs to meet the criterias. Where can I get a course of this strategy? This is the first time I'm teaching you this strategy, so this is the first training. Euro CAD crust. Really? Where? I don't think. Okay, if you're saying that it crust for a call, it's a downtrend. So we're not looking for calls. We're looking for puts. Right now, it's actually getting ready for a put, which is good. USD might keep on dropping. I'm not sure. Don't enter. Let's just wait. The market is not a friend today. We got to go with the trend. And more importantly, with a strong trend. Because this trend, I don't know. It doesn't seem right. And also I see that it's crossing, for instance, right here in Euro JPY. You might wonder, well, hey, why I'm not sending this, or USD JPY, but it's because it's too oversold. We can try it. I mean, let's go ahead and enter here on USD JPY for 3 minutes. And also on Euro JPY for 3 minutes. I'm on demo, by the way, so I can just go ahead and take the risk. But why is it that I'm entering even though it's completely oversold? Because sometimes when the trend is so strong that the price will actually drop or jump, it doesn't matter if it's still overbought. It will continue pushing with the trend. It doesn't always happen, but we can check it out. Euros CAD was higher time frame, looked like it's transitioning uptrend, right? Euro CAD M3, you meant 3 minutes? Justin, we only analyze the 1 minute, because if we analyze higher time frames, then we're gonna do a whole different analysis. And this is what I was telling you. We enter a put position because yes, it's crossing down, but since it's so oversold or so overbought, it's more likely that it's going to retract instead of just, continue with the trend. It's more likely. I'm not saying that's supposed to happen, but it's more likely. We still enter for 3 minutes, so anything could happen right now. Let's see what happens on this one. Also get ready for Euro CAD. It's about to drop. You're welcome, Justin. Enter in the next candle on Euro CAD at the beginning of the next one. 3, 2, 1, and boom. And let's see where that one actually takes us. Also on the next candle on AUD USD for a call. Not this one, but the next candle. All right. Where's this USD JPY? All right, so I won USD JPY, but I think I lost Euro CAD, didn't I? Yeah, Euro JPY, I lost it, and shoot, I forgot to enter in this one. All right. So USD JPY was a win. Euro JPY, I want you guys to share your results because I entered like too low. I'm sorry. But share your results on Euro JPY. Euro CAD, I enter for 3 minutes. Let's just wait. A tie on Euro JPY. Now it's dropping. So it depends really on when you enter too. Probably some of it's going to be lucky. Euro JPY 1 for 2 minutes. All right, that's good. So we're testing as well, like what are like the best time frame to actually enter, Euro CAD is going to be a loss. That's impossible that we're going to win that one. We'll still have 1 minute to go, but I mean, you know what I mean, right? It's going to be impossible. Did anybody enter Euro CAD though? Let's see what else we have. Euro AUD is actually preparing for a put as well as Euro JPY. I'll tell you what candle you need to enter. AUD USD is a clear winner. I'm 5-3 right now, so I'm not doing good. But it's good for testing and to get familiar with this strategy, right? Hope you guys agree with that. We need to master. Oh, this is the perfect moment to enter Euro AUD on the next candle. The cross was practically forced, so we might lose this one. Wait for the moment I tell you to enter here on Euro JPY. Okay. I'm entering for 3 minutes. You can try 2, 1 minute. It's really up to you. We need to master this strategy. I want to start using it as well here in the group, because I do think that diversification is actually good. The time frame of expiration is actually good as well. It plays less with your emotions, and more importantly, I can tell you enter at the beginning of the next candle, so that way you know, that questioning about, hey, what candlestick should I enter, why I have a different pricing. No, you enter at the beginning of the candle and that's it. It's kind of easier, you know. Do you agree with that? I'm trying to make it easier for you. Even if we get like, I don't know, 75, 80% accuracy, but at the end, it's getting easier for you guys. That's fine. For instance, here on Euro JPY, I think we're going to enter on the next candle. If this is a red candle, the next candle is our entry. Okay. That's what I want with this strategy, to make it easier for you. All right. That's kind of complicated with 30-second candlesticks, you know. So the next candle, we're going to enter a put position on Euro JPY. And we're going to see where that one actually takes us. I think I'm putting too much of expiration on some trades, because this Euro JPY, I'm sorry, Euro AUD, it's a big winner already. You know, the big drop doesn't give me that much of a confidence. So I'm going to enter at the beginning of this one. But if the price starts to jump a little bit, like to like this level, I might enter again. Because the big drop, you know, it's complicated. You see what I mean? And take a look at the jump on here. So yeah, probably the 3 minutes is not the best. I think in 2 minutes, we have a lot more chances. This one, I have another entry because of the jump that I mentioned. You could have waited and just entered just when the jump happened, because like I said, the problem with this is that it broke a support line at this level, because the candle was too hard. So it's likely that the price will retract a little bit, at least for one candle, even though then continues the drop. But the point is that if it doesn't end below the initial entry, then we're kind of losing money. Right here, we won the Euro AUD. So let me know if you guys enter Euro AUD. And also let me know if you enter Euro JPY. And if you guys have questions in regards to the strategy, this is the moment to ask those questions. Because not every day I'm going to have live streamings like this one. Okay. All right. Didn't enter Euro JPY. 1 Euro JPY in 2 minutes. But what? You entered too early, or not too early, but you entered before the cross. Okay, yeah, pocket option. Oh shoot, that jump is not gonna help us. I think we're gonna lose this trade. Doesn't matter what entry we had. Will the video be in the tutorial section? Yeah, I think I'm gonna upload it on YouTube actually, to help others, you know. Yeah, we're gonna lose this one. I didn't even see it. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. But it will give us a new entry opportunity for put. Just Euro AUD, just as well as Euro JPY. But I think we're gonna leave it right now. Miss the settings. Yeah, it's gonna be at the beginning of the video. Can see the whole screens. It's so it's hard to keep up. Yeah, probably is because of the computer actually. All right, so I do appreciate that you guys were here. We're gonna just leave the webinar as of right now, and hopefully you had a great time. You'll learn something new, and we're gonna continue using this specific strategy for the next few days in order to master it, and that way it's gonna be easier for me to tell you, hey, enter the next candlestick or whatever. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed the webinar today, people. I'll see you tomorrow, 15 GMT. Cheers. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed this webinar. And remember, every day at 15 GMT, I had webinars just like this one in the BLW Binary Master website. I'm going to put the link to it in the description of this video. And not only sessions just like this one, but sometimes we have obviously live trading sessions, educational content, and so on. So definitely I recommend you to be part of it. So hopefully you got value out of this video, and I'll see you on the next one.